So everybody, welcome back to Dacia Builds, the single update number 4. And I just want to do a quick update on the engine. Now, things were looking up, but never a dull moment here. As you can see, I got the top end on finally. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that the engine tipped over yesterday. It fell off the workbench. I had a little cart built so I could move it around, and it just tipped over from it. So that is a disaster. So these studs were completely bent. This one, and that one. This one was over here. A piece broke off here. It was over here. It just broke off. And this hole was damaged. This is where it hangs onto the frame, and I wasn't able to get this thing in. It was completely in. So, and another thing that happened was these wires. I was not sure about these. They're from the magneto, and they broke off. So I have to fix that. And this is a seal, so I think I'm just gonna have to replace the entire unit. But it has to come off anyway, this thing. So I hope the gasket is okay if I take it off. If not, I have to replace that as well. As you can see, I did get the pistons in, which was a struggle, especially to get those little these little clips in. That was a real hassle. But I got it. So in the end I was able to bend these back, luckily. I also drilled out this hole very gently, and I managed to do it, and I can get it back in. So it needs a bit more sanding, and I'll have to paint it. And this piece that was broken off, there was no hole here, so I had to drill a hole and tap some wire in there, and now I can mount it. As you can see, it sits now, and I can just glue it and it'll be fine. It doesn't really hold that much. So, and of course there's a lot of damage, scratches and stuff, so I think I'm gonna repaint some bits. But the top end is on. So that is one step forward, 2 steps back, I'm afraid. But that is a single update for today. I'm hoping for a bit better news, but I guess not. So this is going to come off. I'm going to glue that, and have to paint that, and yeah. So a bit of a disappointment, but it could have been even worse. The top case could have broken, or something like that. So, well, onwards and upwards, I think. Everybody, thank you very much for your support on Instagram. Yeah, I really enjoy that, and wish me luck. I hope I don't break anything else. Alright, that's the update for today. Bye bye.